Hey everyone, my name is Jarissa, and in this video I want to have a little catch up on how my summer's been so far. A little love letter to June, if you will. I've been so happy and busy working and spending time with family and friends, and to start this video off, I just got a GoPro. And before you're like, Jarissa, you have a million cameras, to explain, my parents wanted an action camera to film our upcoming trip to Jamaica. Hello!
Hi!
Hi! What are you drinking? What is that?
Oh, tequila, go get it. It's from Costco. It's good.
It's cute. I like this. This is nice. Ready to go?
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
Kava and GoPro. Getting ready for Jamaica!
I don't know which one did you want.
I don't know, with the one that does the thing, the tricks. There, that one. Yeah, you have to get the newest one.
The GoPro 10 is fine too.
No, newest one already.
This is proof of my mom is go big or go home. So this is where I get it from. And as the designated videographer of my family, I'm basically in charge of learning how to use it and filming all the rest of our upcoming family vacations. This essentially means I'm also being gifted a GoPro to use for my other videos as well. So super grateful for my parents. But for now, here's the test run. Let me know what you think. And yeah.
Wow.
So my dad, who didn't want any, is now gonna eat our kava. Rude.
Rude.
Good?
When you use the GoPro. Unboxing what I bought that I'll never see again. Take one.
First, I have a 256 gigabyte SD card because it's very much needed. I've been using all 64 gigabyte cards and having to replace them like every 30 minutes. So this is great. Let's unbox the GoPro 10. My mom finally decided on the GoPro 10 instead of the GoPro 11 because this is the bundle, the creator bundle, and it comes with a bunch of other stuff for the price of one GoPro 11.
You should have a cool knife too, like every YouTuber.
You don't need a knife for this. Okay. Ta-da! Whoa!
Oh.
Cool. This is the tripod.
Does it float in here? Oh,
You already broke it. We have 2 batteries.
your teeth is crooked again. My God, thousands of dollars for braces.
No, it's not.
No, this one it went crooked again.
Okay, thanks, Dad. Okay, this is not part of the bit. Okay. What are you doing? You're straying off topic.
Okay, back to the.
Beautiful. What video skills are you doing, huh? Why do you keep going in and out?
She's 360. 360. Oh, you didn't buy the 360 camera. This is my 360. Good turn, man. There you go.
No.
Mom, are you okay? Okay, Mom, here, do you want to unwrap it?
My mom is a heavy hand, she might break.
Whoa! The battery here, too. How do you put it inside? How do you put it inside? See, you don't even know either.
Let me see. Try.
Yeah.
No, there's a lock.
See, reading is fundamental. You go like this. Why are they making it so hard?
Because it's waterproof.
Oh, wow. How do you open this? Can you open it?
It says to pull it.
Reading
Pull it.
Why are you laughing at me? Whoa.
Whoa.
English or
No.
French?
French.
Vietnamese.
Say cheese. Cheese.
Does your cat make you feel
Hello. First test using the GoPro
without the plastic?
without the plastic, because the first one I had the plastic still on. Oh wait, it's still on. Just kidding. There we go. It's making my skin look clearer. No, I'm just kidding. That's just psychological. This app is crazy. I'm recording right now, but as soon as I turn it off, you can already see all the videos that I recorded on here. And I've never had a device that records and then instantly uploads to my phone so I can see what I'm recording. That's crazy. And you can also control it from your phone too. Look, stop. And this is the natural preset the GoPro has as compared to the flat. Let's see how it looks. Honestly, I think I like the flat looking better because it's not as ugly. I don't know. The way GoPro color grades video, it just makes it so weird that it looks like really ugly. I don't know how to explain it. And I know that because I can see it all in the app. Crazy, huh? Crazy. Good morning. I am on my way to work. I think my manager is making me open the store by myself today. There's no way. She didn't even tell me. There's no way. Okay. Turns out I am here by myself today, so put you here. In the past few months, I feel like I've had like a million different jobs. I think it comes with the fact that I'm 20 years old and I literally want to do everything and experience everything. I was hired at this local coffee and ceramic shop most recently, and I think it's been my favorite by far. It gets super busy and it's definitely fulfilling that childhood self that loved playing cooking games and having toy tea sets. They also have the best matcha. Come on, Pablo. Please. Okay, let me just, there you go. Okay. Beautiful. He's so beautiful. Pablo. Oh, so good. But it is not Pablo's birthday, unfortunately, so taking this off. When did this turn into your birthday party?
My birthday was 2 months ago.
Wait, Hiba, these are so cute.
It's really cute.
I didn't realize that it was like meant for a cat, because that's why the hat is so tiny.
I was like, what is this? And then I realized it's meant for like somebody's cat's birthday.
Did you get me a cat? No.
Right there. This is awkward. Oh, hi, Pablo. I was gonna tell her. Dear Usher, happy birthday to you.
Biggest night for
Whoa, the candles first. Woo! Usher, what kind of cut is that?
I don't want to cut too deep.
Hi vlog, I'm currently at a Pinterest event, which I really thought was a scam, but apparently it's real because there's people inside. I'm here with Amirta to rekindle the friendship, and now we're here together, which is honestly really random, but
we're hanging out like 3 times this week when we usually see each other once a year, so
yeah. Now we're currently waiting for Janelle. Don't know where she is, but the Pinterest event already started because it was supposed to start at 5:30, but we're here at 6. And my phone is also at like 2%, so here's Janelle. Say hi, Janelle.
Hi, Janelle.
This is kind of weird. This is like worlds colliding. What?
A floral vanilla cake.
Wow. Does it taste like a floral vanilla cake?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So we're writing letters about things that we want to get rid of, or people, or experiences.
I'm gonna kill you. Okay, what they're gonna do is they're gonna seal it up and burn it for us. Is that what
No,
happened?
we burn it ourselves.
Oh, we burn it
They're gonna
ourselves.
seal it for us, and then we put like a special herb that like kind of attracts the new energy that we want in the future.
Oh, interesting. Hey everyone, this is my first Desi wedding. This is Hiba. Say hi, Hiba. This is Sarah. That's Ramesh. That's Sharia. That's Asher.
What's happening right now?
I'm taking selfies.
Oh.
For my followers, for my fans. Alright, shoes, Pakistan. Socks, Costco. Everything else, Pakistan.
Yeah. This is my outfit. Let's go change. Look at this bathroom. Transition. My goal is to take one of everything, so. This is good. Oh, it's spicy. This is my first time trying golkappe.
Pani puri. That too, pani puri.
Pani puri. It's basically a crispy thing with chickpeas and like liquid inside. I gotta explain. What do you mean?
100. If there's 100 people watching her vlog, I'm one of them. 99 of them. If there's 2 people watching her vlog, I'm one of them. If there's 0 people watching her vlog, it means I'm dead.
Okay, so